Welcome to this short 16-minute Tabata style workout. Hope you enjoy it. It's going to be high impact, but you can certainly make it low impact. So this is lateral high knees. If you need to, you could just march it out instead. But really picking up those knees up towards the chest really gets the heart rate up. You're going to do that for 20 seconds, and then when the timer goes off, you're going to rest for 10 seconds before you start your next move. Your next move is going to be a walkout to single arm extension. So walk out to a full plank. Make sure your butt is not way high up in the air on the plank. Come into full plank, hands under shoulders, and then just big extension, a big reach with your arms. So you can bend your knees as you need to when you're walking out and walking in. Just depends how flexible you are. So once you've done that 4 times through both, you're going to move on to your second Tabata. So your second Tabata is going to be drop squats. If you can touch the floor, that would be awesome. If you notice that your chest is dropping down towards the ground, then just don't touch the floor. If you need to modify that move, making it low impact, just do step out squats. So just do a lateral step and squat. So you're just squatting side to side. So these are cool. These are reverse tabletop thrusters. So get yourself into that tabletop there at the top, and you'll feel the difference when you are really squeezing your glutes there. Really press into the heels, squeeze your glutes, lift your hips up high, and then just barely touch your glutes down to the floor. All right, then you're moving on after you've done that 4 times to your third Tabata, which is going to be these clapping lunges. Now I'm adding that little hop in there, but you could just do reverse lunges if you're making it low impact. Clap your hands underneath your front thigh, clap your hands overhead. And then these are called sit-throughs. These are tough. So great core exercise, upper body strength. You're going to go into that bear hold position where your knees are just elevated a couple inches off the floor. Hands, again, right under the shoulders. And you're going to try to bring that foot through. So if you're a beginner, this move might be a little tough, but you could just keep working towards the ultimate goal of touching the foot. And then here you go. You've got your squats with a twist. You can obviously take the hop out of it, just stand and twist. But if you want to make it high impact, add that hop, add that twist. This is a fun move to do. Making sure that you're really dropping low into that squat as best you can, and then pop up onto the balls of your feet when you do that twist. And then finally, you've got this Superwoman variation, and I'm just adding in like a lat pull down move here, really. So everything is down, everything comes up, really squeeze your glutes, pull those elbows back, really feel those muscles coming in towards your spine. And you want to keep that neck neutral, so my eyes stay down towards the floor the whole time. All right, enjoy.